What's up everybody, this is Coilovers Take 2. The reason I'm calling this Coilovers Take 2 is because the first part, I didn't have a coilover, so I mocked everything in with a plastic bottle that was about the diameter I thought I needed. So I ended up purchasing an AFCO brand budget coilover, Accelerator series. It used to be marketed as like a street rod coilover. It comes as a kit, you get it with bushings. It comes with the adjustment sleeve, an adjuster, the coil spring, and then the top cap. So this coilover is essentially the size coilover that everybody uses on Locost, 12 or 13 inch coilover, and it has one of the smaller diameter springs you can get for coilovers. So in take 2, we're going to use this to mock up all the locations. First issue right off the bat, this spacing was 1 1/4 inch and the AFCO shocks use 1 3/8 inch. Bolt, 2 spacers, a 1-inch tube, 2 more spacers, and then the nut. With these brackets now spaced at 1 3/8 inch, I can simply slide the new coilover in for test fitting. The next issue is I need to increase the width between the upper control arms. So both of these rods are fully adjustable. They're both radius rods, and by turning them you can change the caster and camber. The only problem is there's not much space between it for the diameter of the shock body. So let's address that issue. Make contact with both the rear rod and this metal fabricated bracket. The easiest way to increase this is going to be by relocating the mounting point for the rear radius rod further away. This wooden piece is going to replace the steel bracket that's on there now. It's going to go in the same location, but it's going to put that rod 1.5 inches away, so it'll be something like that. With this link moved over, I can put my coilover in the optimized position, and I should still have around 1/4 inch clearance. Cut these tack welds. That's given me a considerable amount of space, and now I can stand this coilover up where it needs to be, and I have good clearance on this side. All I need to do now is manufacture the tabs which are going to locate this. Next thing I need to do is build this upper shock mount. Sketch up a drawing, I'll laser cut a wooden bracket, and then I'll test fit the wooden bracket, then transfer it to steel. This is a sketch, and that represents the mounting hole location. I'll take this template into the computer and trace the dimensions out and build a bracket.